Let's see if this drive works here. Let's give this a good old reboot after the install, since it seems to be not having a great time. There we go. Never mind, it's just taking its time. Okay. This DDR Ram drive works. A little bit jank, but hey, that's okay. Not really seeing too much bloat on here. DivX, man, I remember that stuff. Oh. Source back 3, that's good. When was the last time this thing was used? Alright, let's see when the last time this thing was used here. It's been a minute sipping on XP here. Like 2013. So last time it was used was 2013. Seems like everything's running pretty decent. I'm really stoked about this X5A. Some 8600 GT in there. I mean, you can't beat it for 20 bucks. I mean, I definitely got my money's worth, and everything seems to be operating now that I checked those cables. I'm not sure if there was a short or what was happening there. Guessing I'd lose cables. But yeah, excellent thing to bring home. Definitely worth it, and it's going to be fun to mess with. I'm going to call this one the fridge. Alright, so temporary set of speakers just to test the sound card. Anyway, there we go. The yard sale machine is up and alive and running. Exciting. Not sure what I'm going to be doing with this yet. Maybe make it a retro gaming rig, but stay tuned for more to come. I'll see you later.